Get yo, like if you want how to get this game right here, but never mind, because this used to be on the App Store like a million days ago. But how to get Talking Larry? First, go to and search up Talking Larry APK. Talking Larry APK, and then we have to look on here, Aptoid. I mean not Aptoid. Talking Larry the bird. No. First you need to download the. First you need to get that one. First you need to download down App Store, which is the APK download. Alright. Download anyway. It's not gonna be harmful. Just click open, and it's gonna say, do you want to install this app? Just click install and then click open, and then and then after you have to make an account if you have Google, and you go in, you enter. But let me update my app real quick. So install, because I have to update mine to the new one. So real quick, so freaking have to update. It's now.
Hey, buddy, we gotta catch up. I think it's a guy talking. Wait, man, have you lost your mind? I'm holding this gun until you start.
Hold up, y'all. I have to do something real quick.
Second thought, then you should hold this
I have to install the new version. Which you might already have the new version if people already have it. But that's my new App Store. It's really stacked with fun games, including Talking Tomcat, I think, on there. But just do not install it because it's gonna update tomorrow. It's gonna update today. Alright, let me search my files. So, which install.
Hey, buddy, we gotta catch up. I think it's a guy talking. Wait, man, have you lost your mind?
Alright, so after you did that first, go to up to down App Store. This is my account. It's literally 8 in the morning right now, but I wake up at 6. Then after you got Talking Larry the bird, they're supposed to be download. It's gonna be a download button for you, and then after a few seconds it will say, do not touch anything, and it will say, do you want to install this application? And click install it, and just click done, and then just find it. If you want to open it, you can. If you want to, nothing's gonna happen. But yeah, oh my god, this stupid cat. All right, hold on. This stupid cat just And that just crashed. The But guys, look at this. I never showed you this. I've been playing this game for years already, and I never spent a single diamond in this house. And this is actually real. I get the game, but I'm gonna show you guys how to get 2 billion coins in Talking Tom. So, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to Mr. APK's or Talking Tom and his whole entire friends is coming to your house tonight and eat all your bathtubs. I'm gonna eat all your bathtubs and all your food. Like Arky the shark does because he's fat. Like and subscribe.